Dear students, my name is Ostap Zlatlozinski. I am a head of Department of Thermochemical Treatment of High Melting Point Materials from Savage Institute for Problems of Material Science, National Academy of Science of Ukraine. Allow me to announce the lecture courses Introduction to Powder Technology and Advanced Powder Technologies. The lecture course Introduction to Powder Technologies is devoted to the basic of knowledge about nanostructured objects such as nanopowders and up-to-date technologies of their synthesis and consolidation. The Advanced Powder Technologies lecture courses is based on personal experience in the synthesis and consolidation of nanomaterials and is aimed at experienced researchers. As part of the proposed lecture courses, students will be introduced to research on the production of ceramic nanocomposites using modern consolidation methods such as Sperk-Plasma Sintering, microwave sintering, and rate control sintering. Impact of these novel technologies for nanostructured composites are lower sintering time and temperature, which help us to obtain energy savings and low cost of products. We can form the fine or nano microstructures what help us to improve the properties of consolidated materials. We can synthesis of new and special materials what explore a new market potential. Moreover, this is environmentally friendly processes. Possibilities to improve material properties and approaches for their prediction will be observed. The advantages of materials with a nanostructure compared to traditional materials with a micron grain size will be discussed. Examples of the implementation of modern consolidation methods for obtaining nanoceramic parts will be also provided. If you have any questions or proposals, please contact me. Thank you.